So when it is related to the inverse function, suppose if I tell you integration tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So always we have to see that whatever we'll take as x as something, we'll replace x as something so that we'll get some direct formula. For example, a tan inverse x is there. So we have to take x as something so that we'll get tan theta. For example, here x equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus 1 minus tan square theta, that is tan to theta. So always in case of inverse you have to do like this. If it is tan inverse, you have to manipulate in such a way that it will be the some tan of something. So in this way, tan 2 theta, this is coming to be 2 theta, that is 2 tan inverse x. Therefore, in this case we can write 2 tan inverse x. Now 2 is outside, tan inverse x into 1, and in case of once again that electric formula, the tan inverse x is the first function and 1 is the second function. So this is the first function and this is the second function. Therefore we can write 2 integration of tan inverse x integration of dx minus derivative of tan inverse x integration of 1 dx on total result once more integration. So 2 tan inverse x, so dx integration in this case x, okay, minus tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square integration of dx is 1. So once again we came to the formula of the substitution. So here we can write this as 1 plus x square equal to t. So 2x dx equal to dt. So x dx equal to dt by 2. So tan inverse x into x minus half dt by t. Dt by t is log t. So whatever we are getting here, that is 2x tan inverse x minus half log t plus c and solution. Suppose one more example I am showing you. Integration of sin inverse 3x minus 4x cubed. So by seeing this, so continuously I told you that if you want to know the integration properly, it is the necessary to understand the and practice on the trigonometry multiple and submultiple. So in this case, whatever we are seeing that it is the formula of the sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So we know that sin 3 theta ka formula, that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So if we take x equal to sin theta, so directly we are getting sin inverse sin 3 theta, that is 3 theta dx. So instead of theta I can write sin inverse x. So sin inverse x integration. Once again that thing that whenever it is inverse function, you have to multiply some algebraic function. It is better 1. Therefore I can write here 1 into, so this is the first function, this is the second function. So 3 sin inverse x integration of 1 dx minus derivative of sin inverse x integration of dx on to the, therefore 3 sin inverse x into x minus 3 sin inverse x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x square and dx integration is on the differentiation. Okay, so if we take here 1 minus x square equal to t square, 1 minus x square equal to t square. So x dx equal to minus t dt. Therefore I can write here 3x sin inverse x, sorry, it will be sin inverse x minus plus 3 instead of x dx I am writing t dt. So t dt by t. So integrate, we are getting 3x sine inverse x plus 3t plus. Answer is over.